Saturday, January 20th, 2024. Saint Fabian, Saint Sebastian. Focus. When his family heard it, they went out to seize him, for they were saying, "He is out of his mind." At a stress management seminar, I realized that I felt more stressed when others spoke ill of me. I got my comeback only by thinking of Jesus. However, it got me wondering, how was Jesus able to endure being called insane when he was only going about doing good and loving everyone, not even having time to eat? Jesus knew who he was and what his Father wanted of him. He went ahead with his mission, not minding what people thought. We humans, on the other hand, get ensnared by the lure of success and worldly popularity. We then become tame people, pleasers, and are easily distracted from our mission. David is a fine example of doing the right thing. Saul, who was at one time the handsomest man in Israel, grew jealous when he realized that David was a man after God's own heart. He tried to kill David, who fled. David twice spared Saul's life despite his men egging him on to kill Saul. And when Saul perished, David mourned the passing of God's anointed one. If we try to please everyone, we will end up pleasing no one, not even ourselves. Fruit. I will do something today that will attract the eye of God rather than that of people.